Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start on the watch face and immediately press the digital crown to reveal apps. This gets you to the app layout. If your apps appear as a list already, pause and check Watch OS updates in the Watch app on iPhone. Once the app grid appears, you're in the right place to switch views. Make sure you have comfortable access to the crown and touchscreen because the next steps require precise taps and a firm press without hesitation. You press the digital crown to show your apps, then use a firm press, force touch on the screen until the view options appear. This is how the watch exposes layout controls. Select Grid View by tapping it. The watch will immediately rearrange apps into the honeycomb pattern. If the force touch menu doesn't appear, make sure you press firmly but not angrily, then try again. Once switched, scroll the grid with your finger and use the crown for precise navigation. You finalize by using the digital crown to zoom and pan the grid so your most used apps sit near the center. This makes access faster. If the view change fails, restart the watch. Hold the side button and slide to power off, then turn it back on. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to App Layout, and toggle views or reset the layout. That remote route fixes stubborn sync.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.